Hey guys, I'm Paisley. I've filled in on the channel a couple times before. So this is a quick video just kind of explaining that we're human. So I'm 24. I can solve a Rubik's Cube in less than a minute. I have 3 kids. I'm an artist. I do t-shirt design, hemp jewelry, metal jewelry, wood burning, knitting, crocheting, sewing, kind of a little bit of everything. I'm a musician. I play guitar, piano, ukulele, a little bit of banjo. I played roller derby for a couple of years, and I was very good at it until I retired. I was also homeschooled, and I traveled a lot, and I also graduated college with a degree in art. So those are just a couple things about me. I feel like those things are more important things to know about me than the fact that I am transgender. That's such a small part of who I am. So that's really all I have to say for this video.